Christmas lottery that they sell everywhere, and I'm nowhere near understanding it because it's quite complex. I mean, each...
Big job, but the stress is too much. Welcome to Ricky and Brenda's The Great Escape.
So, hello. Welcome back to The Great Escape. I'm Ricky, this is Brenda. Say hello. On this beautiful Saturday, we're hanging out in the Centro. Extra busy today. It's a long weekend, aka Puente. That's what they call it here. We just call it fin de semana largo or long weekend. But here's Puente, meaning bridge, because there's that extra day. It's a holiday here in Spain, Monday. They are celebrating Constitution.
There's two holidays, and they're like one day apart. One is the Constitution. I can't remember the other one, so Ricky will put it, I guess, when we find out. But yeah, they celebrate. There's two holidays that fall, I guess, a day apart from each other. And that's why they call it a long weekend or Puente. So it's pretty busy. You can tell there's a lot of people probably from other areas that are spending their long weekend in Granada. Because it's early for, I mean, it's usually busy on a Saturday, but it's like super busy today. And it's kind of early still.
Yep, I'm gonna show you right now what this section looks like. So again, this is near the Carrera de la Virgen, where we normally walk through to get to different areas. On the main street, which is Via de Colón, as we came down on the scooter, it was really busy, busier than normal. But yeah, this is what this section looks like. We are enjoying beautiful weather.
Yes, it's really nice today.
Yep, not too cold.
And guess what I had, guys?
She's happy.
I had my churro con chocolate. It's the best thing ever.
That was not really a breakfast, right?
You should have recorded it. We forgot.
We've
Yeah, that was like our.
You've already seen that.
I guess our snack, because we had breakfast at home.
Yeah. So it was technically it's supposed to be lunch, because more of the locals, that's what they're doing right now. That's probably why all the restaurants are busy. It is 3:30 in the afternoon, which is just about the lunchtime. Then, as you all know, dinner, it's not until like 8 or 9. So yeah, we're gonna keep walking around and sharing what the Centro looks like today, Saturday. As some of you know, there's the Christmas lottery that they sell everywhere, and I'm nowhere near understanding it because it's quite complex. I mean, each city has their own, from what I can see, Granada, Madrid, so on. And then the numbers, they're just, I don't know if they're random or something. We got our second ticket. We just find the 7 and the 3 threes to be attracting. So we'll see how that goes. So here's the other, like the main, I want to say this is the main, like the center, right? Like the circle. This is
the other ones where they do all the activities. That's
more of the center of the. I'm just, this is like an area that's always busy. Dale.
¿Qué?
going If you feel good.
La tita Ali ya no trabaja.
So for those of you who saw the video when we did the lighting of Granada Centro, where they had the stage, it was right here. So one thing we also wanted to mention was that Brenda did a review today of a product that she bought, and she also gave some tips on beauty. So I am, letting you guys know in the next couple of episodes. You can look out for that. So this is another plaza, which we've done many videos of that way. Goes up to Alhambra, a few very popular plaza. Today they have some vendors. Although these vendors are here, I think, almost every Saturday. So we are now walking towards the Plaza Nueva, and as you can see behind me, and I'm going to show in front of me, it's quite busy. Barely walk. Yeah. And people are out and about for different reasons. I mean, some are eating, some are shopping, some are just simply sitting down, hanging out, or going for a stroll, enjoying life, enjoying this beautiful Saturday, just like we are. We're not really doing anything specific other than taking videos, but we're mainly doing the same. Just walking around and enjoying the environment. This part of town is really nice. It's always something new and different to watch. And I'm going to zoom in to show you something. So you see way up there is where we live. We don't get to see from our apartment this little section, but if we were to walk towards the San Miguel Admirador, then you can see this section from there, but we're in that mountain up there. So as we were walking around, Brenda's been looking different things on her phone, and she came across with the fact that there's 13 famous plazas, or 12, I'm sorry, 12 famous plazas here in Granada, which I just showed one, and again on each one I'll put the name on it on the screen. This one right here is the one we've been on before, which is Plaza Nueva. They're doing some free flamenco. I'm going to show you that. This here is the famous Via de Colón road. Super busy.
Batalla de gallos. El nieto ya dijo.
So we're now approaching the next plaza, which is called Bib-Rambla Plaza, which we've been here many times. It looks like this. So this is the one plaza that has the Christmas tree ride. Me tiré un poco me cago encima. I'm swear, I'm not even kidding. What am I gonna do?
Well, let's sit down to eat somewhere.
What?
Yo tengo que sentarme primero. Yo tengo que... Like I guess bad. So, I don't know. A esta hora esta gente no están abiertos.
Send us your location.
Oh man, this is not good, man. Then let's go, because I mean, yeah, it's only fair, right? It's only fair that I go and depositárselo allí if it was their food. That Yeah, hermano. This is bad.
Primera Production.